He's sitting on that branch. There he flies. You can see him flying now. And did he go away? No, he went right here. Right next to me. And there is a little hummingbird. How cool is that? You can see him fluttering near that tree in the center on the top flower. And those are pagoda plants. Where is he gonna go? Where is he going? Back to the flower. He's behind the flower now. There goes a butterfly. Now he's on the top. His wings flutter so fast you can't even see him. He kind of looks just like a little bug. They're only a few inches long. About 3.5 inches. Oh, there he is. He's sitting now on that little stem right there, taking a break. He just shook his tail. He has a little green stripe down his back. Oh, where's he going now? Okay. He's over here on this little, might be hard for us to see. Let's see if I can get him in here. He's on the middle. He's on the flower. Oh, there's a butterfly right here. But the hummingbird, he's on the flower that's in the very back. Here he comes closer to us now. The smallest one in the very back. There's a large one near the center. Now he just moved. Where did he go? I think he flew out of view.